Most people are using AI completely wrong, and it's actually making their life harder, not easier. You are probably already using AI every single day. You just don't know how pervasive it is, which means you have zero control over how it's working for you. By the end of this video, that changes. AI is already embedded in almost everything you do online. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, where it already shows up in your life, and the tools that actually matter for everyday people right now. Let's get into it. Artificial intelligence is software that can do things that normally require human thinking, like recognizing your face to unlock your phone, predicting what song you want to hear next, or understanding what you're typing when you ask it a question. That's it. It doesn't have to be a robot. It doesn't have to be conscious. It's software that mimics human decision making. Think about the last time Google Maps rerouted you around traffic. That wasn't someone at Google watching your drive. That was AI analyzing thousands of routes in milliseconds and choosing the best one for you. That's AI. You used it, it worked. You just didn't call it that. This is the part most beginners miss. You are not starting from zero. You've been interacting with AI for years. You just didn't know what it was. Netflix recommending what you watch is AI. Spotify generating your Discover Weekly. Gmail's spam filter. Instagram deciding what posts you see first. Your bank flagging a suspicious transaction before you notice. Your phone auto-completing your texts. These are all AI. It's working on you. It's designed to keep your attention, predict your behavior, and serve someone else's business model. The question is, how do you flip that? How do you go from being the product to being the one in control? That's what the next section is about. There are 3 levels of how people use AI. Most people are stuck at level 1 and don't even know it. Level 1, AI uses you. This is passive AI. Netflix, TikTok, Instagram, Spotify. The algorithm studies you, predicts you, and decides what you see and do next. You are not making decisions. You are responding to them. This is where most people live, and it's completely invisible when you're in it. Level 2, you use AI. This is where most intentional beginners are. You've opened ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. You type questions, you get answers. It feels powerful, and it is. But you are still reactive. You ask, it answers. You have to direct every single step manually. Level 3, AI works for you. This is the shift. You stop asking AI to do tasks and start designing systems where AI handles entire processes on its own. Emails go out automatically. Content gets generated on a schedule. Customers' questions get answered while you sleep. You built the system once, now it runs. Level 1 is happening to you right now, whether you like it or not. Level 2 is where this video is taking you. Level 3 is where this channel is designed to get you. Most people never make it past level 2 because nobody shows them the path. That's exactly what we are going to fix. Here is the honest truth about why I started this channel. AI is moving fast, and there are 2 types of people right now. The ones who learn how to use it intentionally, and the ones who let it happen to them. The good news, you don't need a tech background. You just need to understand the basics and then start building simple habits around the tools that already exist. We are going to do all that together. Every Tuesday, 1 practical video, no fluff, no hype, just real tutorials you can follow the same day. If this was useful, subscribe. I post every Tuesday, and the next video is one of my favorites. I'm going to show you how to build an actual working app using AI in under 12 minutes. No coding, no experience needed. I'll show you exactly what I type and exactly what happens. I'll see you on Tuesday.